More practice for the exponential functions. Complete the table below and find the equation of the exponential functions. So we know that f of x is equal to a b to the power x. We know this equation. Okay, so now giving according to the given information, f of x is 21.617675 is equal to a is not given, which is the first value. b is given by dividing them. So we will divide 21.675 divided by 25.5, which will give us 0.85. 21.675 divided by 25.5, which is equal to 0.85, which is the value of b, 0.85. And we have chosen this one, so the value of let's choose the first one because it is giving the value of x is 1, so it is 25.5 and the value of x over here is 1. So 25.5 divided by 0.85 is equal to a is equal to 30. So we get the value first 30. Now we divide this and this, we get this, we divide this and this, we get 0.85. Now we need to find for 3. So f of x is equal to ab to the power x, and a is 30 and b is 0.85 and x is 3 over here. Secondly, we will find for 30 0.85 to the power 4. So let's calculate it. 0.85 to the power 3 multiply by 30, 18.42375. 0.85 to the power 4 multiply by 30, 15.66. Okay. F of x is equal to 30 into 0.85 to the power x. A tank of water contains 10,000 liters of liquid. At time t is equal to 0 minutes, a tap turned is on and liquid then flows out of the tank. The volume of the liquid V in liters which remain in the tank after t minutes is given by V of t is equal to 10,000 0.933 t. So we need to find what is the volume of the tank after 5 minutes. So just put 5 instead of time. And solve it out. 0.933 to the power 5 multiply by 1 1 2 3 4 7081.191 liters. How long does it take for the half of the liquid to flow out of the tank? So how long means you need to calculate time, and half of the liquid means that of the total liquid that was 10,000, half means Cobalt-60 is a beta emitter used in medicine. It is created in nuclear reactor and stored in a lead container until it is used. In 2001, the contents of the sealed lead container were 2 grams of the radioactive cobalt-60. After 9.03 years, sample of cobalt reduced to 2 grams of 6 gram. What is the half-life of cobalt-60? So how to find the half-life? The formula to find the half-life is AT, and AT is 0.6, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2, 9.032 divided by h. Solving this, we will get 5.2 years. Julia wants to buy a house. It requires a deposit of 74,000. To prepare for the deposit, Julia is going to invest an amount of money in an account. It pays 5.5% interest compounded monthly. Zero five five over t is compounded monthly, means 12 months. For 8 years means 8 into 12. So solve it out as regular dollar 47706.63. Julia's parent offered to add 5,000 to her initial investment from part A only if she invests her money in a more reliable bank that pays 3.5% interest compounded quarterly. Quarterly means 4 times in a year. Find the number of years it would take Julia to sell 74,000 is equal to P 1 plus 0.055 divided by 0.035 divided by 12. Divided by compounded quarterly 4 into 40. And because we need to find number of years time, so what is P over here? So here P is 47706, which is written above. Okay, because it is the part B of the same question. Now just doing the calculation, we will find T, which is equal to 9.737 years. Okay, each of the function in the table below is increasing or decreasing in a different way. Okay, this is decreasing, increasing. Which of the graph below fits each of the function? Okay, so it's 20, then 30, then 42, then 58, then 75. So it's increasing. First of all, it's increasing a very little, and then it's increasing too much. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, increasing in a very certain way. See, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, increasing in a very A. 12, 22, sometime is increasing. 35, 37, B. Consider the exponential function. Is this growth or decay? Minus 4 x minus 3 plus 1. So it is representing growth or decay. So it's representing growth. Okay. What is the base? Base here is 4. What is the equation of the asymptote? This is the equation of the asymptote. Y is equal to 2. What is the range? Range are the y values. So y would be going from minus infinity to the maximum value, which is 2. You can also plot the graph, but y will be going from plus 2 maximum and minus infinity to plus 2. Evaluate f of 6. So f of 6 would be minus 4, 6 minus 3 plus 2. State the transformation in correct order and map f of x is equal to 3x when g of x is equal to 3 to the power minus 2x minus 8. So g of x is equal to 3 to the power minus 2x plus 4. It has 3x, so it has minus over here, so yx is reflection. And something is adding with x, so horizontal dilation. And plus 4 means left 4. Graph the following functions using at least 3 significant points. So this is the most easy one, putting x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. X is 0, so 3 to the power 0 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, which is 0. 3 to the power 1, 3 minus 1, it is 2 and 8. So 0, 0, x is 1 and y is 2. This is 2, so y is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here x is minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 minus 5 plus 1 4 minus 1. One. So minus 6 minus 1 minus 5 1 minus 4 Consider the graph of the exponential function for what values of x is p of x is equal to 187. First of all, we should know what is a, what is b, what is x minus h, what is k. So what is a? If this is the line, so 1 2 3, so a is equal to 3. What is b? B would be equal to b would be equal to 2. And h and k is equal to minus 5, h is equal to Okay, solve the following equations: 2x plus 7 to 3x plus 2. So it's a quadratic equation. Okay, so let's solve this question. We can just write this as 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1 plus 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power minus 3. So it can be written as like this. So everyone has x, so we can take x in common. 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power minus 2 plus 2 to the power minus 3, which is equal to 448. So 2 to the power x, which is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. 2 to the power x, 7 by 8 is equal to 448. 2 to the power x is equal to 512. 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 9, and x is equal to 9. So we are done with that. This is the revision of all different kinds of exponential questions of the exponential functions. Thank you.